Let's talk about FSW, an efficient way to weld your aluminium vacuum parts. Vacuum is composed of two pieces, the flange and the tube. They are made of aluminium, which has a lot of properties. The tube is installed in the tooling and firmly clamped. The flange is installed on the tubular part to be welded and fixed in place. The FSW process begins. The tool rotates and hits the aluminium. Its shoulder is tangent to the surface. Then the weld is made along the flange tube interface. With FSW, you can weld high-strength aluminium alloys. Friction stir welding is an eco-friendly and cost-killer process. The weld is closed by a loop, and friction stir welding of the pieces is completed. The finished aluminium vacuum part, welded by FSW, is light, leak-proof, non-magnetic, resistant to corrosion, and has an excellent thermal conductivity. Interested? Contact us!